What are you saying, Zella? Oh, yeah. Oh, you're such a talker. You're a talker. Really? What are you saying to Mama? What are you saying to Mama? Are you a good girl? Are you the best baby in the whole wide world? Yeah. Are you a princess? Your mama's princess? Yay. What was You're such a talker. Are you so smart?
Excuse me, sir. I'm going to have to ask you to power down your little word game. I think your friends
Are you just the smartest baby? And the cutest baby? And the best baby? I think that was yes.
Sounds a little too good to be true, sir. I believe that one takes
Do you love your daddy? Do you want to say hi to Daddy? I'm going to send this to him at work.
Just a click away with our free mobile app.
Want to say hi to your daddy?
Break the news gently.
He's such a precious baby.
For Net and wireless.
What?
I love you more than the whole world.
I love my phone. Yeah, she loves her phone.
You could keep your phone and
Give
number
Daddy a
for half
smile.
of what we pay now.
Give Dada a smile.
Welcome to the next generation of
Or spit up. Okay.